Hello, thank you for watching this video. My name is Samara, and today I will show you how to make and apply a brown sugar scrub. So here are some of the ingredients that you will be needing for this fabulous sugar scrub. Here, brown sugar, coconut oil. I love this organic coconut oil. You get a full jar and you can use it in so many ways, but love it for my sugar scrub. I have here also essential oil. This is lavender. Love the scent. It's calming, relaxing. It's just a very popular scent all around and just makes you feel very good and relaxed. And here is some almond oil. We'll also be using this. And you need an empty container where you're going to be pouring your scrub and mixing it all together, and any spoon will do. I'll be using this one today. Okay, so we have gathered all our ingredients. All right, so let's get to it. The skin needs to stay healthy. All the hand washing we're all doing has been drying our skin and nails. The sanitizers that we're constantly applying is doing the same, I believe. My hands were super dry when this all started. But then making my sugar scrub at home helped a great deal. You can see how nice and smooth they are, and I hope this is also going to help you at home. It's very simple recipe to make, okay? So you place sugar in container. I'm going to use the container that I have here. Some people like mixing it in a bowl and then at the very end putting all the sugar mix in a container where they're gonna store it. But I prefer to just do it in the container right away. Okay, so it's all said and done and less mess to clean up at the end. So I'm always about being very practical and easy to clean up later on. Okay, so I will put, let's see, 2 big tablespoons. I don't really measure any recipes, but let's go ahead and do that today. We'll put 2 sugar scrubs. Let's see, maybe 1 more. So 3 tablespoons of sugar. So just a big, heavy, full scoop there. Okay, in the container. And now we're gonna add the coconut oil. One of my favorites is coconut oil. A must-have at home for me. I just love it. This one is organic and it doesn't cost much. At any store they have it. Jewel, Target, Costco, just about anywhere you can find it these days. Okay, so we're gonna open the jar. And why sugar scrub, you might ask? It just makes an abrasive ingredient in scrubs. It's perfect for breaking down dead flaky skin, and it's also a natural humectant, so it helps in the moisturizing of the skin and ensures to keep it hydrated. So I would do this. As I mentioned, I don't measure many of my recipes, so I'll just do a big full scoop. And you can see coconut oil tends to solidify, but don't you worry. Once you're ready to apply the mixture, you rub it in your hands. I'll show you later on, and it just melts away. Your body temperature makes it warm up and just melts away. So I will use my finger here and just slowly help it off the spoon. Okay, little messy, as I mentioned before. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my spoon on the side. I think I will grab 1 more spoon just to, let's see, or maybe we don't need another spoon. Okay, so we don't, because we already did the sugar scrub and the coconut oil. So we have both ingredients in the jar. Now we're gonna apply the almond oil. The coconut oil also solidifies, as I mentioned, but it's great and beneficial for the skin. It's also antibacterial. We're gonna apply just a good amount, If you can see here, let me bring it closer to the camera. Good amount. When I start seeing that the sugar scrub is getting very wet there with the oil, that's kind of like my sign that it's enough in the container. Okay, let's just pour some more so you can see it's practically pretty wet. I see some dry spots. Let's go ahead again and just put it all over the dry spots. Okay, so there's my mixture. Okay, and now we're gonna apply a few drops of lavender oil. A couple drops will do. As I mentioned, lavender oil is very soothing and calming. One of the most popular oils that are used for relaxation. The almond oil is full of vitamin E as well. It's also anti-inflammatory for the skin. It just makes your joints and achy tendons feel much better and relaxed. Okay, and the lavender oil, it always puts me in a good relaxing mood. I hope it does that for you as well at home. Okay, so now you're gonna mix all the ingredients well. Let's just mix it all in the jar. Okay, mix all the ingredients well, and you will see how it's all coming together very beautifully. And my ingredients are just a guide for you to make this scrub. Some people like it a little bit more of an oily scrub consistency, so you can always add more oil as you best see fit to your needs and to what you like. Okay, here you go. It's not too coarse and not very oily to me. I just think it's the perfect consistency for my skin. Go ahead and mix a little bit more. You want to make sure, especially the coconut oil, to melt. Even though it might solidify again, but at this moment, you want it all to come together and melt. And as you're doing this, if you apply the lavender oil, you'll smell it. The scent is just breathtaking. Smells so good and relaxing. Okay, good consistency. And this is how I personally like it. It's not too coarse or too oily, just perfect. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and place it here. I'm gonna remove the spoon. We're gonna put it on the side. I'll bring my almond oil so you could see it on the camera, and you can always have the ingredients here handy on screen so you don't forget what is it that you will need. All right, and after your sugar scrub is all mixed, you want to cover it in an airtight container. I have this jar with this lid that just closes up really nicely. This will keep your sugar scrub fresh and moist so the sugar doesn't clump up, and ensures also optimum shelf life. Okay, it's just a little bit. You can do as much as you need and just have it handy. It could be a full jar, but I just want to do a little bit to have handy and fresh all the time. You can use it in the shower, keep by the sink, apply it twice a week or as often as needed. Okay, you guys, so we have done the exfoliation of the salt scrub, and my hands are glowing. They feel amazing, super smooth. You do not even need to apply a lotion after the scrub. It is not necessary. It's always optional, but it's not necessary. The sugar scrub does both, exfoliates and hydrates. And please remember, like, comment, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay updated with all the videos that I make. Thank you for watching.